Gang, gang. Look what I got here. I got the whiteboard with me. All right. I'm going to show you how to invest $10,000. I'm going to show you what not to do with $10,000, and I'm going to show you what to do with $10,000. You should be super pumped up, super excited to get to know my opinion of what you should do with $10,000 and what you shouldn't do with $10,000. I can tell you from experience, man. It don't matter where you work, how you work, when you work, and what you do. You're going to come up on a bag one day. And what I mean by the bag is 10K. All right. Where I come from, we call that a lick. Okay. Which means you're going to lick your chops. And I'm going to even show you how you can turn this 10K into a milli. Okay. And it can happen. Take my advice. Let's run with it. I'm going to show you how to invest 10K. Chris Thomas. All right. So you're probably wondering what inspired me to create a video about investing $10,000. Hey, that's a fair question. Let me tell you right now, the thing that inspired me is my buddy. He just sold a big account. He's in sales, right? He said, Chris, man, I just sold a huge account. I made like $12,000, $13,000 roughly, right? It was like $12,700 and something bucks, right? I said, hey man, how about this? Instead of me telling you something directly, how about I let the world tell us what we should do? But how about this? I can tell you my opinion and what I think you should do with the money. First of all, you should go enjoy yourself just a little bit because you worked hard for the account. It took you about 6 months to close it. You closed it, go enjoy yourself. But let's keep most of the money in the bag and see what we can do to make even more money. So I'm gonna ask you, what should he do with the $10,000? Drop it in the comment. Hey, if you have not subscribed already to my channel, I highly recommend it. I drop some fire shit about money, about investing in real estate, short-term rentals preferably. I don't do the traditional thing, but multifamily. I know it's kind of an oxymoron, but most of my capital I'm investing in short-term rentals are gonna go into a multifamily syndicate, so I should take that back. Whatever. What I'm doing right now is for short-term rentals, gang. Let's dive into it. So what should he do? How to invest $10,000? Should he pay off some bills? A. Most of us. Should he risk it in real estate? Or should he party like a rock star? Like he just got a record deal, right? I'm gonna give you all three opinions. How about you tell me what you think? What would you do? Okay, before watching this video, pause it and tell me what you would do. Most of us would be A, okay? I would say that 99.9% of people would be A, okay? I would say 0.5%, okay? Half, okay? 1%, 1% would invest in real estate, and the other half, I would say would party like a rock star, okay? All these mean something, all right? Let me go into detail on what they mean, all right? And I'm gonna tell you which one is right, in my opinion, and what you should do with $10,000. All right, so let's dive into it. Paying off bills, debt, and loans. Why is this somewhat of any importance to us, right? You know what's crazy is that we are groomed and accustomed right now to pay somebody else's bills and pay somebody else's debt. We've been doing it since we were kids. We go to a toy store, we go to the toy store, we give the person the cash, they give us the toy. So we're accustomed to paying for people's debt, paying for people's things that they've created for us to either live in or enjoy or some sense of entertainment. I'm gonna tell you why 99% of the people pay off bills, loans, and debt. It gives us a sort of accomplishment. Okay? Accomplishment, right? We feel like we've achieved something, right? We feel like we've achieved something. We feel like we're rewarding ourselves by paying off debt, by feeling free, temporarily, okay? It's also parasitic debt, okay? That's for stuff you put on your credit cards. You know you shouldn't be putting on your credit cards, like Christmas shopping, for example, when you know you didn't earn it, okay? Another thing is what bills and paying off loans. It gives us a sense of power, right? It gives us a sense of power. But one thing I'll tell you that it doesn't do, it doesn't pay you back. Yes, you can use it towards other things, which I'll express in this video. It doesn't pay you back. Does it pay you back? Do your bills pay you back? Okay, does credit card companies call you back and say, hey, guess what? You can keep the $5,000 that you just paid us and we'll give it back to you. Just don't worry about it. Negative. Okay, they're probably calling your phone. They're your biggest accountability partners, calling you at 6 o'clock in the morning and while you're at dinner with your family. Trust me, I've been there, all right? So look, this is the worst one here. Hey, you know what? We're accustomed to doing this, all right? We're accustomed to paying out bet deals. We're usually, 99.9% of us feel a sense of accomplishment and power when we're doing this here. And I'm gonna tell you, it pays you absolutely nothing. And guess what? You will fall back into the same place. I can guarantee you. You know why? You're gonna see that fancy watch, that fancy dress. You're gonna need a new washer and dryer. You're gonna feel some sense of accomplishment. And what that does for you, it feeds your ego to let you know, hey, I can give myself something back because I've been working for this or working towards this. In all fairness, that's okay to feel that way, but it doesn't pay you back. Okay? And that's what we're trying to accomplish in this video, is how to invest 10K. Okay? Do not pay off any debt or loan. That is the absolute atrocity. Get out of that. You know what's crazy? I'll give you $10,000 and guess where it'll be? Back at me. Okay? You'll return it back to the marketplace as soon as possible. You'll blow it and spend it. Here it is. B. Risk in real estate. Okay? The number one thing, okay, that I told my buddy to do is to less his risk aversion. Okay? Less his risk aversion, which means educate himself. Number one, educate. Most people do number one, do A, because they're not financially illiterate, okay? Number one, educate yourself. What type of real estate do you want to get in? Look, you can go buy a single family home for 10K in probably Virginia or something, but we're in California, okay? These are where the rock stars and the athletes and the most expensive people and the most beautiful people are, okay? Not saying other places are beautiful, but California's hot. All right, you need to first educate yourself, all right, on real estate. 2, it pays you back in the means of cash flow, okay? Cash flow. Cash flow is king. Cash is trash. I do not believe in cash, okay? I do not believe in cash. I think cash is the worst. Okay? I am always broke at the end of the month. You know why? Because the stuff comes in and I put it back out. I invest it as soon as possible. With $10,000, I'm not going to go into too much detail. This is what I want you to recognize. You can get 3 Airbnb properties. Listen to me. This blows my freaking mind, gang. Listen to me. In North Park in San Diego, California, they are giving 2 months free and all you have to pay is the first month's rent of $2,200. I was blown away. I was like, so what you're telling me is that I don't have to pay you for another 2 months and you're giving me rent free and I can put this on Airbnb because everything's legitimate. I told them up front, I run a corporate housing company. I want to put this on Airbnb, VRBO, HomeAway, and other vacation rental sites. Not a problem, as long as we get our rent paid. There are no excuses not to get rich. This is the new rich, okay? I'm expressing to you. If there's anything that you can learn from this video right now, there are no excuses to how to not get rich in real estate. This is it. With $10,000, let's say the average investment to invest in an Airbnb property, for that being the rent, the deposits on some places, because some places don't have 2 months free, let's be legitimate here, and then for your upstart costs, couches, chairs, make it all beautiful, toiletries, whatever, okay? Let's say $3,000. A $3,000 investment gets him 3 apartments, rent to rent, okay? Rent to rent. Okay, he rents to rent them out on Airbnb, to give it to guests on Airbnb, his little mini hotel. Okay, he invests $3,000. He has 3 of them. Okay, he still has $1,000 extra for some extra stuff that might pop up by getting the rentals. It happens. All right, and each of these rentals average. My rentals do about $1,300 to about $1,700 a month net. So we'll meet you in the middle, say $1,500. Okay, times 3, pretty easy math, right? $4,500. All right? $4,500 coming in every single month, and that pretty much replaces his income at his job. Boom! He's gonna be amazed off of this one. Or let's go on a C. Would you party like a rock star? Find a bunch of Instagram models, right? Find a bunch of Instagram models, Facebook people. Tell them to come join your limo bus, right? You just signed a big record deal. You blew your money on things that don't freaking matter. Okay? To impress people that don't give a crap about you. I'm gonna tell you one thing, guys. There's only a couple people out showing up at your funeral on your deathbed. I'm not even kidding. Probably 20 to 30 people, unless you're some famous rock star or superstar. If we're in that place right now, and if you are a rock star or superstar, I highly recommend that you check out Airbnb rental, short-term rental arbitrage. It just blows my mind out how many people are not investing in buying mansions and crap and watches and jewelry and stuff that depreciates like nothing. Party like a rock star, this is liabilities. Okay? Liabilities. Alright? Liability 101. That's cars, stuff that doesn't matter, irrelevant stuff. You could have put a down payment on a Audi R8. That's what he wanted. He's like, I should go buy my Audi R8. Stupid. You can go buy 5 Audi R8s with the amount of money you're about to make in this business, okay? Liabilities. That's what we're taught. The first time we get it, we do as quickly as possible to go spend it because we feel some sort of what? Accomplishment. Alright? Liabilities. Partying like a rock star. That's bottle service. Bottles. Friends. And then in the end, you have nothing to show for besides memories, which are good, okay? Don't get me wrong, which are memories, okay? So check it out. Here it is. Is it A, B, or C? You guessed it. It's B. Why? If you invest that $10,000 into a short-term rental business, guess what? You can pay off the debt. Let me repeat myself. You can pay off the debt with the $4,500 that you're making, okay, in a matter of 3 months, okay? His debt was about $27,000 or something like that, roughly. Hard debt. I mean, stuff that didn't matter. Partying like a rock star. And guess what? If you're making $4,500, you can reinvest that money back into more properties, and guess what? You can party like a rock star as much as you want. So we just knocked out there. This is here, okay? There are no excuses not to jump into the rental business, okay? I say B all day, every single day. It blows my mind. I would never in my life, if you handed me $10,000 to go pay off debt. That is stupid, okay? Doesn't pay you. What, to feel good about yourself? Come on, don't be so soft, okay? Do we really need to feel that good about ourselves? I can tell you right now, gang, go with the B's, the big billies, okay? Right now, you know, I'm on verge to making over $100,000 a month with Airbnb rentals. I'm 32 years old, 34 years old. I'm thinking of him. He's 32 years old. I'm 34 years old. And I told him, this is the video for you. So check it out, my man. Hopefully I can share it with the world. And right now, this is how you invest $10,000. Right now, jump into the short-term rental business. You'll thank me later, okay? So you can pay off all your bills, and then you can party like a rock star as much as you want. Go to Tahiti, Bora Bora, Cabo, wherever you want. Get your money right. Get your paper right. Man, stop trying to show off so much. It's not that cool, all right? Nobody cares in the end. It's temporary, because guess what? Somebody is better than you at all times. You know, you're gonna think you're rolling hard, but you're rolling a Lamborghini. Guess what? Somebody's gonna roll up in a Bugatti. Somebody has a Bugatti, somebody's gonna roll up in something more cooler, okay? And there's a ton of cars out there, all right? B. I go with big B's. Hey, hope you enjoyed this video, how to invest 10K. I highly recommend you jump into the Airbnb business. It could range from literally $2,000 to $10,000 to invest in Airbnb, and it pays you back tenfold. I mean 10x, okay? And I can almost promise you and guarantee you, you will thank me later when you invest in the short-term rental business. If you have not checked out my other video, how to turn 12K into 1 million, go check it out. In and out. Chris Thomas.